Lithium is a type of metal, but it is very rare. It is a special metal that is very light and can even float on water. Lithium has an atomic number of 3, which means it has 3 protons within its nucleus and 3 electrons around its nucleus. Because of these electrons, lithium is very reactive and can easily combine with many other elements to form new compounds such as batteries. The largest known deposits of lithium are found in South America's Lithium Triangle, which includes Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. However, it can also be found in places like Australia, China, and the United States. In the Atacama Desert in South America, most of the world's lithium is extracted from reservoirs of salty water called brines. The brines are found in deep underground pools beneath the dry salt flats. Through a process called concentration, water is pumped to the surface and allowed to evaporate via evaporation ponds in order to recover lithium from the brines. The evaporating water leaves a salty residue behind that contains a variety of minerals, including lithium. This lithium residue then goes through multiple steps of chemical filtration and precipitation in order to eliminate undesirable minerals and contaminants. Finally, a number of lithium compounds, including lithium carbonate and lithium hydroxide, are then used to make the cathode and electrode components of lithium batteries. Lithium brine extraction might take months or even years to complete and is quite an expensive procedure because it needs a lot of water, energy, and specialized equipment. Many of the products that require lithium batteries are crucial in our fight to reduce our global carbon emissions, such as electric cars. However, unfortunately, the lithium brine extraction process needed to produce this lithium does have some very significant environmental and social impacts of its own. Water-intensive lithium mining contributes to water scarcity, impacting the fragile desert ecosystem and threatens biodiversity. We can see an important example of this when looking to the Andean flamingo. The mining activities alter the water dynamics and disrupt their habitats, affecting the availability of suitable feeding grounds and nesting grounds. Conservation efforts and sustainable mining practices are essential to mitigate these impacts and protect the habitat of this endangered species. Socially, Indigenous communities face displacement, loss of resources, and conflicts due to mining expansion. Striking a balance requires responsible mining practices, sustainable water management, and meaningful engagement with local communities to safeguard the environment and protect the rights and livelihoods of all Indigenous groups. As individuals, there are a couple ways we can actively participate in achieving a positive impact. Raise awareness, educate ourselves and others about the environmental and social consequences of lithium mining, and advocate for Indigenous rights. Share information through social media, school projects, or community events. Support responsible brands. When purchasing electronic devices or renewable energy technologies, choose products from companies committed to responsible sourcing of lithium and ethical mining practices. Conserve and reduce consumption. Practice water conservation in our daily lives and engage in sustainable practices. Remember, even small actions collectively make a difference. By actively participating and encouraging others to do the same, we can contribute to a more sustainable and equitable approach to lithium extraction in the Atacama Desert and beyond.